Subscribe to my channel for more videos on science and technology. Which disease was declared eradicated from India by WHO in 2014? Polio. What was the target year set by the National Health Policy 2017 for achieving Sustainable Development Goals? 2030. The Integrated Disease Surveillance Program was launched in which year? 2003. Which Indian state first reported the outbreak of the Nipah virus? Kerala. The National AIDS Control Organization operates under which ministry? Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. What is the main goal of the Ayushman Bharat scheme? Universal health coverage. Which public health initiative aims to screen and treat non-communicable diseases in India? NPCDCS. What year was the National Rural Health Mission launched? 2005. The Swachh Bharat Mission aims primarily at improving which aspects of public health? Sanitation. Which organization is responsible for the pulse polio immunization program in India? Indian government. In which year did India launch the National Tobacco Control Program? 2007. Which health initiative aims to reduce maternal and infant mortality rates in India? JSY. What is the primary focus of the Rashtriya Kishore Swasthya Karyakram? Adolescent health. Which program targets the elimination of open defecation in rural India? Swachh Bharat Mission. What is the main purpose of the Pradhana Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana? Maternity benefits. Which disease is not covered under the revised National Tuberculosis Control Program? Malaria. What is the full form of NHM? National Health Mission. The National Nutrition Mission is also known by which name? Poshan Abhiyan. Which of the following diseases was declared as a notifiable disease in India in 2013? Tuberculosis. What is the primary aim of National Family Health Survey? Health and nutrition data. Which initiative is aimed at promoting institutional delivery among poor pregnant women? JSY. What is the main vector for the transmission of chikungunya in India? Aedes mosquito. Which year did India achieve the status of being free from maternal and neonatal tetanus? 2015. Which program aims to prevent and control diabetes, cardiovascular diseases and stroke in India? NPCDCS. Which of the following is a recent initiative to address mental health issues in India? NMHP. What is the main focus of the weekly iron and folic acid supplements program? Adolescent anemia. What is the primary objective of the National Health Mission? Health infrastructure improvement. Which recent health initiative focuses on the prevention and control of blindness in India? NPCB. The Eat Right India movement was launched by which organization? FSSAI. What is the main focus of the National Deworming Day? Controlling intestinal worm infections. Which of the following initiative targets the reduction of neonatal mortality in India? IMNCI. Under which program is the Janani Shishu Suraksha Karyakram implemented? NHM. What is the primary aim of the mission Indradhanush? Universal immunization. Which year was the first national health policy in India introduced? (1983). If you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.